In this video, you will learn how to sell Bitcoin on Ledger Live, open Ledger Live, then log in, launch a Ledger Live app on your device or mobile, then connect and log in and unlock your Ledger hardware wallet. Navigate to the Sell section. In the left-hand menu, click on Sell to open the selling interface within the Ledger Live. Select BTC or Bitcoin as your asset you want to sell. From the list of supported cryptocurrencies, choose BTC or Bitcoin as the asset to sell. Choose a partner service. Select a trusted ledger partner. This could be Coinify or Transak. To complete your sale securely, enter the amount and payment details. Specify how much Bitcoin you want to sell and choose your payout method, such as direct bank transfer or your card payment. Confirm and complete your transaction. Approve your sale on Ledger device when you're prompted to. Once the transaction is verified, your Bitcoin will be sold and the equivalent cash will be sent to your selected account. Now you know how to sell Bitcoin on Ledger Live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.